Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me at Lisa B Pilates. Today we are going to do a wake up and go stretch. So let's get on with it. So we're going to go into cat-cow. So inhale as you lower, exhale as you round. Good, inhaling, exhaling. Just waking up that spine. Good, one more each way. Then come to a neutral spine, so where your back is flat. We're going to take the left hand on the back of the head. Inhale as you rotate inwards. Exhale as you open for 1, 2. Good, really keep the elbow open. You're opening up through the whole torso. 1 more on this side. Good, let's go to the other side. So inhale as you come in, exhale, open as wide as you can. Two more. Good. And then place the hands in front of your shoulders. Let's make it a moving cat-cow. Round the back, drop the bottom. Then come forward, careful of the lower back. And round. So I know it's wake up stretch, but this is actually really nice after a workout or one of my more strength-based videos, or maybe you've just come back from the gym, something like that. It's nice for after a workout as well. Good, 1 more. Good. Now tuck the toes, lift the hips, press the chest back towards the thighs, bend 1 knee at a time. Stretching out those calf muscles. Good. Now just lengthen here, stay in here, aim the heels towards the floor. And let the neck sort of just be relaxed. Don't hold any tensions in the shoulders. Good. Now as you come to plank, bring that right foot through, step it in between the hands, help it along if you need to. Left hand down, right arm opens, look up. Really straighten that back leg. Bring that left knee down, right hand down on the inside of the right foot, left arm opens. Get your balance. Good, come up. And now we're just going to do a move in hip flexor, hamstring. Good, we're not going to hold anything too long because we're just waking up the body. 1 more. Good. And then place the hands down, lift that back knee, take your right leg back, lift the hips back to down dog. Then come to plank, bring that left foot through. Right hand down, left arm opens, look up. Drop that back knee, left hand on the inside of the left foot, right arm opens. Bring that hand down, bring your body back up into that hip flexor, hamstring. Good. Couple more. Good. And then place the hands down, take that left foot back, lift the hips, bend the knees, look forward towards your hands, jump or step. I was keeping my eye on that bee just by my foot. And then we're going to roll up, halfway up, take an inhale, lengthen through the spine, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale, exhale 1 more time. Good. And then hands down, step back into plank. Good. And then bring the knees down, knees wide. And then come into pose of a child, relax, lengthen the spine, bring the forehead down. Take a few breaths. Good. And then bring yourself back up. I don't know what it is, I've come outside to film and then loads of stinging insects have come around me. Bring the arms out, relax the shoulders. We're going to lengthen and really reach. Good. And really lengthen and reach. Good, come up and take that twist, look behind you. Back to centre, take that twist. Back to centre. And then just big circle with the head. Change direction. Inhale, take the arms up. Exhale down. And one more. Inhale, really lengthen through the spine. Exhale down. Good. And I hope you're feeling good. Thank you so much for joining me. Please hit the subscribe button, leave your comments below if you'd like some more stretch videos. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon.